Hello friends, good morning. Today I am going to explain to you question number 10 of leverage. The following projection have been given in respect of company X and Y. The volume of output and sales 80,000 and 1 lakh. Output 80,000 units and 1 lakh units. Variable cost per unit rupees 4 and 3. Fixed cost in case of X company 2 lakhs 40,000 and Y company 2 lakhs 50,000. Interest burden on debt rupees 1 lakh 20,000 and 50,000. Sale price per unit is rupees 10 and rupees 8. Sale price rupees 10 and rupees 8 per unit. Therefore sales value 80,000 multiplied by 10 are equal to 8 lakhs. 1 lakh multiplied by 8 are equal to 8 lakhs. In sales less variable cost in case of company X rupees 4. 80,000 multiplied by 4 are equal to 3 lakhs 20,000, and in case of Y company rupees 3. 1 lakh multiplied by 3 are equal to 3 lakhs. 4 lakhs 80,000 and 5 lakhs are known as contribution. In contribution less fixed cost in case of company X rupees 2 lakhs 40,000 and rupees 2 lakhs 50,000. In case of Y company 2 lakhs 40,000 and 2 lakhs 50,000 are known as EBIT, earning before interest and tax, or operating profit. In EBIT less deduct interest on debt. Interest burden on debt in case of X company 1 lakh 20,000 and in case of Y company rupees 50,000. 1 lakh 20,000 2 lakhs. प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स. क्वेश्चन हमारे से क्या रिक्वायर्ड कर रहा है? क्वेश्चन हमारे से रिक्वायर्ड कर रहा है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एबव इंफॉर्मेशन यू आर रिक्वायर्ड टू कैलकुलेट ऑपरेटिंग लीवरेज, फाइनेंशियल लीवरेज एंड कंबाइंड लीवरेज. इन केस ऑफ operating leverage are equal to contribution by EBIT. In case of X company and Y company. In case of X company, contribution are equal to 4 lakhs 80,000 and EBIT 2 lakhs 40,000. 4 lakhs 80,000 divided by 2 lakhs 40,000 are equal to 2. In case of Y company 5 lakhs divided by 2 lakhs 50,000 are equal to 2. Next, and also calculate financial leverage. Financial leverage equal to EBIT, earning before interest and tax, by PBT, profit before tax. EBIT X company, earning before interest and tax, and Y company, earning before and tax 4 lakhs 80,000 in case of X company, 5 lakhs in case of Y company, divided by PBT 1 lakh 20,000 and rupees 2 lakhs. 4 times and 2.5, and combined leverage are equal to contribution by PBT, profit before tax. Contribution is divided by profit before tax. In case of X company, contribution equal to rupees 4,80,000 and profit before tax, profit PBT, contribution by X company, EBIT 240, EBIT 2,40,000 divided by PBT 1,20,000 to 2,50,000 divided by 2 lakhs. 2,50,000 divided by 2 lakhs are equal to 1.25. In case of X company, combined leverage 4,80,000 divided by 1,20,000 equal to 4. In case of Y company, contribution equal to 5 lakhs divided by 2 lakhs are equal to 2.5. Thank you friends.